Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. Welcome to Monday, guys. It's Monday already. Can you believe it? Welcome to the smoothest live stream on all the internet. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of trading here. Let me just set up my. Looks like today is the 31st, right? Yeah, I don't think my X stream is up yet. Just give me a second here. We're going to set that up right now. I'm going to create a broadcast and. So it'll take me 1 sec. Kind of forgot to do that right before the stream here. Had a couple of things to take care of. It'll take me 1 sec. And we'll be on the road. Looks like we might be getting a little move to the upside this morning. Looks like we might be getting a move to the upside. And I'll tell you guys exactly why. Create broadcast. Post. All right, cool. I think we're good. Awesome. Good morning, Amit. How's it going, my brother? How's it going? All right, let's see what we've got here. Start all. We're on good with Twitch, and we're good with X. All good, guys. Everywhere, all good. All right, so let's check out these charts and see what is going on at the moment. I did get into a little long. I'm about to get stopped out, I think, here, though. Did get into a long here earlier today. I did see the momentum kind of climbing. We might be getting stopped out. This might be topping off here, but I did like the way that the momentum was going. I like the way that the delta was heading higher too. So we'll see if we can get a lucky bounce here to the upside. We do have 3 contracts, 3 micros here on 2 different accounts. I think we'll get stopped here, though, and we'll see what happens right after this. But I do think we'll get a move higher today. Right now, the delta, if we take a quick look here, the delta on the higher time frames. Let me go to the higher time frames here. We have the 2-hour. The deltas look like it was looking like it was climbing for a moment there. It was climbing. On the 30-minute here, it definitely is climbing. We'll probably stop out of our trade right now. And it definitely looks like we are climbing. We did get some type of bottoming signal right in here with a couple more chops in this area. So I think we might get a pull to the upside this morning. On the 30-minute here, let's expand this 30-minute a little bit. Looks like we had a nice big spike here on this 30-minute right around 7 a.m. this morning. That's why I'm a little bit more bullish than I am bearish. We'll probably get back into this long if we're stopped out. And yeah, that's where I think we might be headed today. So let's take a look at the 4-hour just to take a little deeper look here. 4 hours sometimes tells us some things. Yeah, 4 hours looking bullish too. I think we'll get a pop here. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed here for a possible long. A long, maybe into the daily open, maybe a little bit higher here into the close from Friday. We'll see. We'll see. There's a couple things that are brewing, right? Oh, wow. I'm still not stopped out of this trade. That's crazy. That's wild. I'm about to get stopped out, though, for sure. For sure here. Let me fix my screen a little bit because you guys can't really see that. Oops. No, not that. Yeah, it's better. Okay, now you guys can see that better. I'm about to get stopped out. When are you going to stop me out here? When are you going to stop me out? What's up with the ticker? The ticker stopped? Oh, okay, it's not open yet. All right, cool. Wow, we're still in this thing, huh? That's pretty wild. Can't believe we're still in this trade. Probably not for long, though. I'm telling you, they might find some support here because they've been hanging out this level here for a minute here, this 200 level. But I'm pretty sure I'll get stopped out right now, and then we'll see about re-entering if we can catch a bounce, if it makes sense. We'll be patient. Hit the like, says Biblical. Yeah, good morning to you guys, man. Good morning. Good morning to everyone. Good morning, Armana. Good morning, Biblical. Amit, good morning, guys. Yeah, we're stopped out. Back to the drawing board here. We'll take a look at some of these levels that I have outlined. We'll take a look at some of these nice little levels. 1 sec, guys. Biblical, you still doing your walks, man? Are you still walking? Yeah, we should have taken the profits here and maybe possibly even entertained a quick scalp short. All right, sorry about that. Had to fix the treadmill. What's up, Mo Lester? Time for a fresh week of smooth trading. That's what I'm saying, man. That's what I'm saying. All right, so let's take a look at some of these levels here. All right, we've got that daily open sitting at 19.319, 320, something like that. We've got last week's low and Friday's low sitting here at 19.356. That was the close from Friday. Now, Friday's close was funny, guys. They closed at the very, very low of the day, man. That was nuts. I took my profits in here. I was short from like 624. And I took my profits here because I think I had to close before 4 p.m. anyway. I really wanted to wait for this. I knew the market was going to push down lower. I had a feeling in my gut they were going to try to close this gap that was here. So we did close down pretty nasty, man. That was a real nasty close. And we even gapped down on Sunday. We did fill that gap, though. Don't let the VWAP here fool you. Let me see if I can erase the VWAP for a sec. Can I erase the VWAP for a minute? Is this the VWAP here? No, that's not the VWAP. That's not the VWAP. Oh, here we go, VWAP. All right, see, we did close the gap. We opened with a gap. We closed it right away, though, so that gap is no longer open. But we do have Friday's close right here. It may want to do Friday's close, that gap. It may want to close up this morning. I'm looking at those levels. From there on, I mean, we can go higher. We can go to... Actually, Friday's close is not the level that I'm interested. I'm more interested in the 4 p.m. close, the New York session close, this one here, because the close from the Globex on Friday already has been filled. So even though this is a level to look at, because we do have, these are the lows from last week and the lows from Friday, this level here is probably a better target that I'd be looking at here for a possible move higher if we go higher today. Now, if we go lower, that's also a possibility, right? We have our overnight highs here, 277, overnight lows here, 118. Now, can we go and test 19,000 this morning? That's a question, right? It's a psychological level here at 19,000. That's a level that we would have to look at, obviously, right around here. But we also have our average daily range, the low of our average daily range here at 18,900. That's a level that the market may want to be hunting for. Let's see if we can look at the daily here and see what the daily tells us. The daily tells us that this level here is really important to hold. If we can't hold this level we're at right now, it's going to get pretty ugly here. We have a double bottom right now. Next level here that would be a crazy level. I have it labeled as a crazy level. Is 18,339. Crazy level, guys. Crazy level. We have imbalances in here too. And then we have a target here of 17,342. Which is a target that I'm looking at kind of like long term if we do start breaking some of these levels. So watch out for those levels, guys. Watch out for that tree. George of the jungle. All right, let's see what the market's giving us here. We got a few minutes left to the open. Let's see what the market wants to give us this morning. If there's any free handouts. You guys think there'll be any free handouts this morning? I did have this level outlined here because we did have the absorption level here. Should have been a clear sign for us to take that short. But I was kind of enthralled in along, but we'll see. See what the market wants. What's up, Captain? How you guys feeling, man? You guys are doing good. So Biblical says, yes, he's about 6,000 steps a day now. Did you drop any weight, brother? Have you dropped weight since you started walking? Biblical? What's up, Mike Light? Good morning to you, man. He's trying to get to 10,000 steps by July, says Biblical. Wow, man. That's crazy, dude. That is crazy. Yeah, so crazy targets for the morning. Let's go ahead and take a look at the S&P here. S&P 500 was stopped dead in its tracks at the VWAP. Didn't make it over. At least the NQ made it over. NQ made it over the VWAP this morning. Not obviously the strongest move above the VWAP, but it tried. The YM here on the left-hand side also got stopped dead in its tracks at the VWAP. The Delta, right now in this moment, is looking weak to the downside. I would not be trying to get in long at this very time. So the long is an idea, but it doesn't have to go that way. We're looking at the VIX here. The VIX is popping up, trying to test these recent highs here from the overnight at 22.39. Now we do have the delta here on the VIX looking a little toppy, I believe. Yeah, here we go. Looking a little toppy. So we might get a little reversal back down here on the delta, or on the price action because of the delta. We do also have breaking briefly here above the VIX. We'll see. We'll see. This is pretty high on the VIX here, almost 23, 22.4, 22.5. So let's see what it does. Let's see what it does. Right now we are seeing a little bit of stubbornness here at the VWAP on the VIX, and we're getting still a little bit of a rollover on the indices. Let's take a look at Bitcoin, because I know some of you like to track that. I know I do. Let's take a look here. And the BTC at the moment right now is looking like it might have bottomed. I'll be honest with you. I'd be kind of comfortable taking a long. Let me see what a stop here at 81, 267, 82 right now. I don't know, man. I might be interested in looking at a long here. Did we break any significant levels? We'll see how this morning plays out, but it wouldn't be crazy to think about a long. We do have some kind of decent delta here. If we look at the delta for BTC, we see that we had some pretty big dramatic moves here, bringing price down, and then we had a series of traps here to the downside. So I think it might be possible we could be seeing a little bit of a move higher. We'll see how these markets shape up today. I have a little bit of a bullish bias, as you can tell, but we got to keep that at bay and trade what the chart tells us, not what our lizard brain tells us. Let's take a look at these higher time frames again. We are getting a little bit softer here on a 2 hour. The 30-minute here is looking like it's putting in possibly another leg to the downside before maybe giving us a push higher. We'll see. We'll see. The delta is picking up. We're opening up in less than 3 minutes. The DAX made a new low today. Let's see what pops today. Yeah, Captain, that's for sure. Let's see what does pop. All right, let's go back here to the NQ. NQ, what is going on, NQ? All right, guys, market's about to open in less than 2 minutes, and see if this NQ could push higher. If not, then we are going to see a pretty slippery slope here. Wish you guys all the best of luck today. Monday. We have a busy week this week, guys. There's a lot going on in the markets this week. That is for sure. There's a lot of stuff going on. Oh, man. I'm kicking myself right now. Let's see. 171. 236. Take a look at this 30-minute again. Yeah. Delta's not shaping up to look so nice anymore. Delta's shaping up for another dumperoo. It was looking good this morning before 8 o'clock, or before 9 o'clock. It was looking pretty good. Now she's not looking very good at all. We'll see what happens after the market open. It's coming up right now. Might be getting another spell. I did outline this area up here as a potential reversal because of the absorption this morning. And it looks like that's exactly what it did. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. All right, so we'll be patient here. We'll just give it a chance to do its thing, but it does not look good at the moment. That I will say. It does not look very good. The healthiness has gone out the window. All right, guys, market's opening up. A few seconds here. Let's see. We have a busy week. We have a lot of news. Let's see what about today, if there's anything going on for today. But I know this week, especially Wednesday, is going to be a big day. German preliminary CPI, huh? That was all day. So the DAX is probably, that's why the DAX is doing what it's doing. We have Chicago PMI at 9:45. It's not a big event, but it's something. And then tomorrow, we've got this, let's see. Yeah, tomorrow we have ISM manufacturing and JOLTS job openings. And the market is open, guys. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what we get. Are we going to get that move to the high side? Are we going to get a move higher? Wow, look at the volume that just kicked in right now to the S&P. All right, let's sit tight and be patient. See what we get. Let's see what we get. Yeah, she's probably going to push lower here. Could she push lower? Yeah, looks like the YM swept its recent lows. The NQ and ES have not. What's up, Stacy Lewis? How you doing? Good for you to good to see you here. Thank you for joining us. Looks like she is going to push here. Looks like she's going to push here to possibly sweep these overnight lows first. As you guys know, I'm out of my long from this morning at break even. I did like a long for today though. See if we can get one. All right, let's see. All right. Yeah, so we're probably gonna do what we did on Friday, guys, is give the market about 15. Well, I'm gonna do what I did Friday, is give the market about 15 minutes for her to kind of just stretch her wings here and do whatever she wants to do. After the first 15 minutes, we will figure out what the game plan is at that point. I noticed on Friday a lot of people got hurt on Friday trying to trade those first 15 minutes, man, and it was not for the faint of heart. Even the most seasoned of traders got demolished on Friday. So be careful. She will lie to you. Sometimes she will lie to you. So yeah, this right here was a nice short. Should have taken it. I had it outlined too. At least I took the break even. Let's see if we can figure out where the opening is. Where was our open? Right here? This is our open. All right, cool. I have these already kind of templated here. I just want to make sure that I outline my first 15-minute range of price action here. Not that I think it'll do anything. It's just interesting to keep an eye on to see what it does after 15 minutes of price action. I've been kind of, wow, we're just going straight down, huh? Yeah, it's keeping us off the charts for a minute because we don't know where the 15-minute low is going to be. But we do know where a 15-minute IB high is at the moment. At the moment, it's here at 191, where the market kind of opened up, and we are seeing a sharp decline here. Sharp decline. I do think it's a fake out though. I think it's gonna be a fake out this time. If we get a continuation of this move because of the crazy week we're gonna have with tariffs, I know Trump is talking about Liberation Day and all that on April 2nd. And maybe the market's scared. Maybe the market's just selling off due to all the tariff news. That could be something. That could be exactly what's driving this thing. Wow, straight down already, 160 points from the open. Wowzers. Wowzers, guys. Wowzers. Oh, guys, again, if we get 50 likes today, we will do a 50K eval giveaway. So let's see if we can smash that like. In case you guys are here for the first time, make sure to like and subscribe also. We are live every day at the open. Come on, baby girl. Let's see what you got. Let's see if you got anything in you here to give us some price action today, because this straight down action is kind of hard to jump in with. Guys, I got some really exciting stuff I'm working on for the channel. I think it's going to put us... It's gonna make a significant impact on the channel and the amount of traction we get here. So stick around, guys. Things are gonna get interesting. Big time. Big time, big time. Wow, what a dump. Let's see what she does, guys. Let's see what she does. Check out the news. What is up in the world today? Goldman Sachs sees Trump's tariffs spiking, inflation stunting growth and raising recession risk. Wow, Goldman Sachs. Quite the analysts they are. Who could have seen that coming? Trump's tariffs threaten to escalate a trade war. China wants to talk, but it's ready to fight. Yikes. China factory activity expands at the fastest pace in a year. Official surveys show. Okay. A lot of tariff talk, man. A lot of tariff talk here. A lot of tariff talk. Yeah, looks like she's trying to push back higher here. Would not be surprised if she does move to the upside. So far, I think we may have put in the IB low. We'll see, though. I'll keep it here for now. We'll move it and adjust it if we have to. Okay. Take a look at the higher time frames right now and see what kind of action we put in. Oh wow, yeah, we put in a nice reversal on a 2 hour. We have about 20 minutes left on that 2 hour. Here guys, let me show you a reversal that we put in. So take a look at the 2 hour here on the left hand side. If we can confirm this candle in about 20 minutes, this 2 hour is going to be beautiful. I don't know if this is going to start turning green after this, but if it does, this will signal a bottom for today for me at least. If we put in a green candle after this, I think this has a good possibility of putting in a bottom. We're bouncing off from 19,000, close to 19,000. Remember, that's that psychological level that I spoke about earlier. But if we can put that in as a low, hey, that might be something, man. That might be something, guys. Yeah, let's see what she does there. That is an idea. That is quite the idea. Okay. Breathe, guys, breathe. Take some deep breaths, do some breath work. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. So I did some journaling over the weekend, guys, just to take a look at my trades from the week. And I will tell you, my biggest problems I'm still facing is that I'm too early to trades. A lot of times I'm still too early to trades. That's still my biggest flaw. So we know what that means, guys. Even more patience and more patience. But I have been getting better. Executions have been better. Hold times have been longer. So if you're not journaling, guys, I strongly suggest, man, you look into journaling. It's probably the best thing you could do to help your trading. It looks like she's trying to put in some strength now. We'll see, though. She is certainly trying here. She is trying. Let's see if 1950 will hold. So far, it looks okay. See what she has in store. Mike Light says, that was a great open. Sweet. Yeah, I just wish I would have followed my analysis here. I was in a long, so I was kind of hesitant to take in the short because I saw good long possibility, but should have just followed my analysis here that I saw earlier. And what is up with my... Yeah, what's up here? Sorry guys, I'm having an issue with my one of my indicators here. I think I gotta refresh my screen. One sec. Yeah, she's still pushing here. She's still pushing down. Yeah, cool. Sorry about that, guys. Had to fix my my indicator. Indicator was going on the fritz. What's up, Ablizi? My Clight's already up 3 grand. This guy's an animal, man. You're a savage, brother. Let's see what this market does here. Let's see what she does, guys. Let's see what she does. What's good, Publizi? What's up with those Bitcoin trades, man? You still in there? All right, let's see what she does here, guys. Let's see if she has any strength in this move. She made an equal low here. Still pushing lower. She's still pushing lower. The ES is looking a bit weaker than the NQ here. Let's see who's going to pull who up or down. Take a quick look at the VIX, and the VIX is telling, ooh, the VIX is skyrocketing pretty hard, and it doesn't look like it's going to let up. It does not look like it wants to let up. Oh man, this tariff news might be pretty ugly. This tariff news may not be a good thing at all. I still think there's a chance, though. I still think there's a chance. Yeah, at the moment I don't see anything letting up. More downside is possibly what she wants to give here. Yeah, more downside is what I'm thinking here. I do not see a bounce just yet. ES is looking a lot weaker than the NQ. The NQ is at least trying. The NQ is at least trying here. That is crazy. We just hit 19,005. Let's see if we'll hit 19,000 on the button. Yeah, we just crossed over 19,000. We're in the 18,000 territory, guys. Look at that, man. You said it couldn't be done. You guys said it couldn't be done, but it is being done. She is putting in that lower low. Whoa, Nelly. Oh, man. The devastation, guys. The humanity. The humanity. Oh, Lord. All right, let's take a look at the NQ on the daily. See what we're cooking here. NQ on the daily looks like, oof. Wow. Yeah, let's look at this NQ on the daily, and it's not looking so kosher at the moment. This might be a sell-off among sell-offs. This little 3-bar pattern here was looking kind of bullish, but now she's looking like she might be putting in another big bar here. On the 4-hour, she is looking a little bit stronger. This could be a bottoming signal. We have about 13 minutes left in there. A minute left there. I don't know, guys. I really don't know. Be careful here. I know she is, she's trying to get up. She's trying to get up. Let's see if we can catch anything on the way up here. All right, her 15-minute closed out at, let's see, the 15-minute, where did it close out at? Right there. That was a 15-minute, we broke through it. 45 is where that started. Okay. See what she decides to do here. Wow, quite the move here this morning. Quite the move. And smooth we trust. Yeah, this is a nasty move down, guys. Wow. Yeah, she's not even giving us a little bit of a move higher. Not even a little push. Everything's being sold. Everything's being small. So. Now, if she does pop, watch the 114 level. This is an area she may have a little bit of a hard time at. Watch this level here, I would say. If she does pop. If she doesn't pop, then we're going to keep going into those low 18s. We'll see. I took a chance here on this long. I saw something on the 6-minute that I kind of liked. I don't expect her to make a full recovery, but I do expect her to at least try the 1980s. We'll see. We'll protect our position though once we get to the 1960s. If we get to the 1960s, if not, we're going to take a little spill here. Am I having a problem here again? There we go. All right, let's see if there's any strength here. like buyers are trying to step in. Let's see if we can get a quick pop. I don't expect it to last. I really don't expect it to last. So that's why I'm trying to take profits kind of quick on this. All right, let's see if she'll push higher. Okay. We'll go ahead and protect our position now. Let's see if we can get this first hit here. 1 second, guys. Sorry, guys, I'm back. All right, let's see if we can get this push here a little bit higher. Let's see if we can get this little move higher. The market may want to be generous to us today. We'll see. I don't know. I really can't say. But the 2 hour was looking pretty nice. I think I did say the 2 hour was looking somewhat good here. We're looking at a 2 hour here. This could have been a nice trap on the 2 hour. 30 minute is looking okay. I don't know. This could be a start of something. We said the 4 hour was looking good. Maybe we get an update still. Might have to leave this. Remaining 3 on here all day. Might take a first TP hopefully here. We'll see. We'll see here, guys. We'll see. Take our first, hopefully our first hit here. She's looking all right. She might take a TP here. Come on. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Don't be shy, girl. All right. Yeah, she's getting stronger on the 12. She's getting stronger on the 6. Should be all right. If we can get above the overnight low, she's definitely going to sail. Yeah, I had a feeling that this first drop was going to be somewhat of a fake out. It's because everybody's conditioned to think lower, so they were going to try to trap a lot of traders short here. The ES is trying to get above 55.60. Meanwhile, we've got the NQ here trying to get safely above 1980. We'll see if she can do it. She's trying. And I think we got our first TP here. Beautiful, wonderful. Let's make some money today, guys. Let's do it. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Baby, come on. All right, good. We got our first TP here on our... Biblical says, take profit. Yeah, I think they're a good prop firm. I think they're a good prop firm, Biblical. Biblical, I've got a runner here. I've got a runner on here. And we're going to let her run and do her thing. I think we get a higher day today, man. I'm gonna let these three run. If I start seeing some bearish, if I start seeing some bearish CVD, like really big time bearish on the higher time frames, I'll close her out. But right now, I think we could really get somewhere. Because the market thinks the market wants everyone to think that we're going to go to zero because of Trump's tariffs. So what would they do? They'd dump it first, trap everybody short, and then move the market higher. So until I start seeing some bearish CVD on like the 12-minute, I'm going to keep her long. Because right now the higher time frames are looking really good. The 2-hour looks like it put in a beautiful trap. The 30-minute is still looking a bit weak, but the 4-hour is looking amazing. If we can get above the overnight low and hold it, and then the VWAP, then we might be having a good old blast off, possibly retesting these Friday's high here at 19.9, 20,000. Could it be? Could we get back up to 20,000? That'd be crazy. That would be insane. And then they dump it on Wednesday. Bang! They dump it on Wednesday. That's what they'll probably do. They'll pump it from now to Wednesday, and then they'll dump it. Who knows? I don't know. I can't call it. All I know right now is that the market did, in fact, trap a lot of traders short just now. So looking at the ES now, the ES is putting in some real nice moves here. Wowzers. Manipulators. Yes, they are. Yeah, biblical. Yeah, I do believe it in runners when I see that the delta is telling me that we're putting in for a big move. When I don't see a big move and my mentality is to scalp the move, then I'll take everything. But I used to be just like that. I used to either take everything or nothing. I used to do only bracket orders, and then I found that a lot of times I would leave a lot of meat on the bone, and I tried to figure out why. So then I started using delta, and I started noticing when you have big delta traps, the moves go much further than you think. So I'm just gonna let her. I'm not saying I'm not gonna take profits on the runners. I'm just gonna wait for the market to tell me that it's done running, and then I'll take a profit. But as of right now, there's really no indication on the delta for me, at least, and I could be 100% wrong. But from what I'm seeing, the market looks like it wants to go higher. That was my initial idea this morning, but I think they wanted to put in this fake out first. So we'll see here. As of right now, the 2-hour is still putting another 1 minute, 30 seconds on the 2-hour. Same thing for the 30-minute and the 1 hour. I think that's when we'll start seeing some fireworks, possibly even more. And the 4-hour looks strong at the moment, and that's also got an hour. It's also got a minute and 18 seconds in it. So I think we could really start seeing some fireworks here at 10 o'clock. If not, we take profits. If not, we'll just take profits. So right now, we just hit the overnight low, and she's having a little bit of a hiccup, as I suspected she would. But I don't see a trap forming on the 6-minute yet. If we do roll over, then so be it. We'll take a small profit. Soon as results flip, I entered long. So, as soon as Russell flipped, I entered long on the ES. I think I'm done for this morning. Good job, man. I'm not taking you to Buffalo Wild Wings if you leave meat on the bone. Yeah, man, I have to eat my daughter's chicken wings after they're done eating them because they leave a lot of meat on the bone. They leave too much meat on the bone. And sometimes when I'm full, then I just give it to the dog. But yeah, I think we have a little bit more go. But I could be wrong, man. I could be wrong. This market is, who knows, right? Who knows? I'm just going to leave them because there's plenty of times when I think she's done and she runs. We already took a nice profit already. Why not trail runners? Because you just don't know how far. I'll start trailing them once we're safely above the overnight low. But as of right now, I don't think we have enough room for a trail. If I trail it, I might as well just take profits right now because 9 times out of 10, my trails get hit. I'm just gonna let it go. Because the other thing you got to look at too, guys, is this whole candle here. This whole candle here was a manipulation candle. So these market makers, they push this market down here, and they have orders that they want to come back and grab. These are their longs that they took, so that you can go short. Now they want to come back here after they trap these shorts. They want to come back here and pick up their orders, and now take it the opposite way. so they can be in profits. So that's what I'm looking at. And if they don't break above this area and you start losing this area, then I would say that maybe that's all she's got. But as of right now, I see this as a real potential. Even the VWAP is here. We have this as a real potential target for them. So I try not to look at the small gyrations. That's why I try to keep my charts on the 12-minute and up. The smallest chart I have anywhere in vision and in sight is 6 minutes. So we'll just chill. Yeah. Yeah, I still see more upside. Thank you guys for the likes already. If we get up to 50, we'll do a 50K eval giveaway. Let's see if we hit this VWAP here at 160. Let's hit that VWAP, baby girl. Let's hit it. Let me explain to you guys why I took the long where I did. So I'll show you guys on the 12-minute first, and then I'll show you on the 6-minute. So do you see this bearish absorption candle here? So we had this big move down. Then we had this bearish absorption candle. We had that on a pretty decent sized green delta candle here, which means there's more buyers than sellers. When you see a candle like this at the top of a move, it really does show that the sellers are going to be pushing that move down. But when you see it at a bottom of a move, a lot of times it signals exhaustion. So what I want to do is a lot of times I look at the next candle to see how it starts opening up. And this candle started opening up very strong. The bulls really started to take over. So it looked like a perfect indication for me to say, okay, well, these sellers that were trying to push this market down hard here, they got exhausted. And plus now they're going to be trapped. So the bulls took over here, started showing a lot of strength. And that's why I took this move. Now, if we look at it on the 6-minute, which is over here on the right-hand side, you can see it a little bit better. You can see the size of this candle was really big. You see it right here. Oh, I'm sorry. That's the wrong chart. You see it right here on the right-hand side. Let me show you right here. So you see this candle is really pretty big. The delta candle here was almost 1800 to the upside. But the candle was a doji, and it was also absorption. The next candle was red. But then the third candle here started to come in with some pretty strong bullish momentum, bullish move, right? So I said, okay, well, this looked to me like it was an exhaustion move. And now we're going to at least come up a little bit higher and possibly tap the 1980s, 1990s. So I'm going to give it a shot. So give it a shot here. And it looks like that's what they did. They pulled in a little bit of a trap move here. A little bit of a trap move, so we'll see. We'll see what happens. But the delta still looks okay. I'll just be patient on it. Remember, I said do not follow me on it. I could be wrong 100%. She could just roll over from here. What's up, Joanna Simpson? How you doing? What is that indicator that shows you the number of orders? What is the name of it? It is called the CVD on chart. You can find it on TradingView. Completely free. I don't know if any other platform carries it. I've never really tried to look anywhere else. Except for Tradevate. Tradevate doesn't have it. I've tried looking there. But you find it here in the indicator section. Sorry. Here in the indicator section. It's called CVD, Cumulative Volume Delta Chart. And you have to play around with the settings. You can't just use it straight out the box. So what I suggest you do is you go into our Discord. Here on our Discord, you will see a channel that says My Indicators on the left-hand side. And there's a video here that says Indicator Times Reversals. Right here, and then this one will give you the way to set it up. I believe it will. I believe it has everything there. If you don't see it for whatever reason, if you don't figure it out, you can send me a DM on Discord. No worries, Joanna. Thank you for joining us. Appreciate you. Remember, guys, 50 likes equals 50K giveaway, 50K eval giveaway. All right, let's see if we get this push here through the VWAP. That's what I'm crossing my fingers for here. This would be quite the move if we did. Now the ES, guys, if we look at the ES, it's look at now. Earlier it was weaker than the NQ. Now it's stronger than the NQ. Look how much higher above the VWAP the ES got. If it got all the way up to 55.77. The Dow, let's not even talk about the Dow. The Dow is ripping. But the NQ is lagging a little bit. NQ is lagging a little bit. So I do think that since the other two indices are moving higher right now, I do think they're going to pull the NQ up. I do. And then once we can get over the VWAP safely, I think it might be a wrap. I think she may push a lot higher. Remember what I said, I think. We got the VIX here pushing down pretty hard. Quite the reversal we had on our hands this morning. That is nuts. Look at that. Look at that beautiful beam footage. That is crazy. Came up here, ripped all the liquidity, and it's just bringing it back down casually like nothing happened. Like, yeah, it wasn't me. It wasn't me. All right. Oh, Elon Musk reveals stock concerns. Oh man. The mall is going out of business? I don't think so. Trying to see what's going on in the news world, guys, to give you guys a heads up here, what might be on the horizon for today. Skip to oh wow. Yeah, she's pushing here. She's pushing above VWAP for a little bit here. And wow, the ES is just taking off. Oh man, look at that. ES is right in the middle, NQ's on the right. Anything going on today? I don't think much is going on. I think the market's just bracing for Wednesday. Surge of nonsense, Wisconsin. Protesters. Nothing really market. Let's see. Verdansk, Warzone, news, Marine, convicted, ban, surgeon. Wisconsin Supreme Court, MicroStrategies. Oh, MicroStrategies purchased another 1.9 billion acquisition. Is that so? Let's see here. Michael Saylor's company, MicroStrategy, has recently expanded its Bitcoin portfolio by purchasing an additional 22,000 BTC for approximately 1.9 billion at an average price of 86,000 per coin. So that must have been last week. This acquisition increased Strategy's total Bitcoin holdings to 528,185, now valued at around 35.6 billion. This move reflects Strategy's continued strategy of heavily investing in Bitcoin, showcasing their confidence on its long-lasting value. Wow, pretty crazy, pretty crazy. He is a bull amongst bulls, man. That guy is definitely degen bull. That is pretty insane. Yeah, that's pretty nuts. I think Bitcoin's probably pumping right now. Not because of that. Usually it doesn't pump off of Michael Saylor news. It usually dumps off of Michael Saylor news, but let's take a quick look, see what it's doing. Yeah, it is moving higher. Yeah, yeah, I knew that move was looking rather nice this morning. Yeah, pretty good. Gold is just making high after high, man. Gold is at 31.15. Holy smokes. What about Tesla? Tesla has a gap to fill. Look at this, guys. Tesla has a little gap to fill here. Yeah, it looks like if we can fill the Tesla gap, we're at 250. If we can fill this Tesla gap up to 260, be a good day for Tesla. Nvidia has a similar gap here all the way up to 109. They all want to fill this gap, huh? All of them want to fill this gap. Look at Meta, Goog. Goog doesn't have that big of. Goog doesn't have that big of a gap. Let's see, Apple. Apple's okay. Amazonian has a big gap. Pretty wild. Pretty wild. Let's check out XRP. XRP is hanging out at 210. Looks like she's making a comeback. We'll see. We'll see what's cooking. All right. This candle, this 4-hour candle, super bullish, guys. This 4-hour trap right here, super, 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 super bullish. To me, at least, it looks very bullish. Let's take a look at that 2-hour again. 2 hours looking beautiful. 30 minutes looking strong. Yeah, she's looking all right, man. She's looking all right. I think I'm gonna die on this hill. I'm gonna die on this hill, guys. Yeah, so we've got the Dow safely now above 41,700. ES is closed a nice 12-minute candle above the VWAP. And NQ is almost there. NQ is still trucking along here. Still trying. A little engine in good style. Let's see. Obviously, pullbacks are expected. I'm not sure if this will be a pullback all the way down to daily lows, but we're protected either way. VIX is still plummeting, says my Clay. Is she? Yeah, she's still low, but she took a little break. Nothing goes in a straight line. But we have our not even our bias, but we have our confirmation from the charts are telling us. So right now I'm just going to remain in my trade as long as possible. We got a good entry. We'll just leave her. We'll just leave her be. And try to fix what's not broken. Sometimes overtrading gets me in trouble. Just leave it alone. Just leave her alone. Let her do her thing. If we get up to 50 likes, guys, we'll get a 50K eval giveaway. Great news too, guys. We have gotten our coupon code approved with Trade Day. If you guys are not familiar with Trade Day, they're one of the sleepers in the industry, guys. The prop firm industry has some really good prop firms that are considered sleepers. So Armando really kind of put me up on Trade Day, and they've given us a customized coupon code, Smooth Trader. I think right now they're running a 40% off. But beautiful thing about them is you can pick trailing drawdown, you can pick end of the day drawdown, or you can pick static. So you can pick anything you want there. And you do have to trade for a little bit longer, your eval, but they will put you into their rules. They're not a prop firm that's kind of like rooting to get you to kind of hurt you. They're not really trying to do that. From what I've heard, the fact that they make their evaluation process a little bit longer shows that they have a higher pass rate than most people do with no requirements on days, like 1 day pass. Believe it or not, a lot of people don't pass those. The more time you actually have to trade it for, the higher pass rate, believe it or not. So Trade Day, check them out, guys. They're something else. They will move you to live very quickly, though. So if you're not into that kind of thing, you don't like to trade, in a live setting. So that's why they're actually on the same team as you, because they want you to be a good trader. They want to see you put in some good work, and as soon as they see that potential in you, they will put you into a live setting really quickly. All right, let's see if we can get this push here through the VWAP. Let's see if we can get it. No, the ES has already done its thing, so it has the YM. Now let's see if the NQ can do it. Let's see if she can. I think she can. I think she can. I think Apex's deal runs out. The 80% off of Apex runs out today too at midnight. So keep that in mind if you guys are Apex fans. How much are you up in the runners? 1,300 on across the two accounts. Yeah, about 1,300. I'm expecting this little bit of a pullback here. Obviously, we're at the VWAP. That's what the NQ likes to do. Around this area, usually she comes back and takes out stops, and then to continue higher. So we're gonna let her do her thing. We'll be patient, trust our analysis, and if we get stopped out, hey, we'll look for another trade. We already took a partial, so we're good. We're green on the day. But I really do think she goes higher. I really do. Really, really do. I could be completely wrong too. That's just my analysis. I think the VIX might tap VWAP once more, then maybe roll over. We'll see. I hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are trading well. Feeling well. Looking. Is looking well a thing? No, I think that's only for health, right? Looking good. This move down here on the 6 minute, I see a little bit of an absorption. I'd hate to see her double dip, but anything's possible. A lot of volume this morning. Now she's kind of simmered down a bit. See what the ATR got to. About 47. That's about a 22 on the 3 minute. 47 on the 6 minute. A lot of new prop firms coming out, guys. A lot of new prop firms. I'm seeing prop firms everywhere, pop up everywhere. A lot of new prop firms, man. Yeah, not much going on in the world, though. Not much going on. Quiet today. That's kind of scary, though, because anything can happen when it's quiet. we come low enough and find some support, may want to even add to this trade. At the moment right now, it just looks like profit taking. It doesn't even look like a strong push down. I'm looking at the delta. It looks like profit taking on this move. We'll see. Said anything's possible. You guys had an exciting weekend? Anything good? Did you guys do anything good this weekend? I had did some work around the house, man. My weekend was not exciting, so I want to hear about your weekend, guys. I think the highlight of my weekend was going to Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's. What else did I do? I went to the gym on Saturday. Cleaned my pool. What else did I do? Yeah, cleaned my pool. Went to Trader Joe's. Did some work on the outside and inside of the house. Oh, I worked on a video twice. I recorded a video 2 times. I recorded it the first time, edited the whole thing, and then hated it. So I scrapped the whole project. I spent the whole day Saturday working. Well, most of the day working on it Saturday. So then I looked at it and I'm like, oh, this is garbage. So I re-recorded the whole thing on Sunday. And this time around, I'm very happy with it. It looks beautiful. Looks a lot better. So I'll be dropping that video sometime this week. It's not a video for everybody. It's more of a newbie video comparing 2 prop firms to each other. See which one is worse, which one's better. So yeah, and I'm pretty happy with it. I'm going to finish putting the final edits maybe today or tomorrow. And my weekend was not much. Did not do much. Did some journaling. Did a little bit. Do you guys do replays? Do you guys replay the market and trade to sharpen your skills? I love doing that. I've done that a few times and I really enjoy doing that. YM still looking pretty strong, still holding its levels above the VWAP. The S&P has broken down under the VWAP. NQ never really made it above VWAP here. Let's see if she catches a second win somewhere. Maybe 1980, maybe 1960. Yeah, that was quite the move this morning. Alright, let's see what kind of delta we put in now. That was a pretty nice candle. So on a 12-minute, this could be a nice signal, possibly. We could look at it a little bit clearer. It might be. Let's see if we get continuation. Right now it looks like we're getting absorption to the upside. Not a bad sign at all. Not a bad sign at all, guys. No, no, no. Back tested and reviewed my trade, says Captain. That was my weekend. Sounds great to me, dude. Any weekend you can spend back testing out your strategy, man, that's the best thing you could do to invest in your trading, man. That's the best thing you could do. Back testing, journaling, smacking yourself, you know, for all the bad trades you took in the week. That's a good strategy. How many of you guys ever tried doing an ice bath? Not even like cold shower, but ice bath. Anybody ever do like a 50, 40 degree ice bath? I know Hermana said he has an ice bath right in his backyard. I think he has a lake by his house. Have you guys ever tried an ice bath? There's this place in town, I think I've told you guys before, that's like a steam igloo. It's an igloo and it has steam. Really hot. I think it can get up to like 120 if you wanted to. And then in the middle of it is an ice bath, like a little small ice bath pool. So you steam and then you go into the ice bath. Steam, ice bath, steam, ice bath. You do it for like an hour, man. It'll not only shock you, wake you up, but have you feeling limber, right? Like you could do anything after that. The most I've done is a minute in the ice bath. After that, my ankles start to freeze and fall off. I don't know if you guys ever tried that. I've been waiting to try the cold plunge. Yeah, man, you should try it. You should find a place. Google it in your area. You'll probably find a place that has a cold plunge. Maybe a gym. Some gyms have them. I used to go to a gym back in Jersey that had a cold plunge. And I used to think the shower, I used to think the men's locker room was cold. But after you take a plunge, ice plunge, everything else feels warm in comparison. I used to think those Russian guys, you call them the Polar Bear Club, the guys that used to jump in the ocean when the ocean was freezing, I used to think they were crazy. Now I'm like, I see the method in their madness. Son-in-law has a finished sauna right next to a freshwater lake. So good. Oh, I can imagine. That must be a good comparison. All right, she's pushing here. She's pushing. NQ is weaker than the ES. ES seems to be holding up a little bit better here. Let's see what the NQ has in store for the kid. My stop is at 1922. Let's hope she doesn't get down that low. Let's hope she has a change of heart here in the 60s, 70s. Let's hope she can hold it. Can she do it? Will she do it? Do 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 do. Yeah, I don't know, man. ES is looking good. NQ, so. YM looking great. Here, you guys can see for yourselves. She might start to get a little strength here. Things are starting to look a little bit on the up and up. Let me take a look at the VIX real quick. VIX just cracked over the VWAP. I don't know. Can't call it. Yeah, she's still pushing down. Yeah, it looks like she may want to retrace this entire move here. The majority of it. Or maybe just come for my stop loss. And then go from there. She said, "I leave no man behind." That's her claim to fame, the NQ. Leave no man behind. Yeah, the initial balance low here was 1903. So I wonder if that's what she wants. The initial balance low again. What do you guys think? I do cold shower after hot showers. Says Joanna. Yeah, I used to try those. I used to take the wind right out of your lungs. Oh, look at her. Look at her. She's going. Make me so proud. Made me so proud. Let's see if she goes. Let's see if she actually goes. She might be, she might just setting a bull trap here. It's possible. It's Possible she could be putting in a bull trap. She tends to do this. She might have one more dip in her after putting in a bull trap here. So we're getting, this yellow candle here is an absorption for the bulls. That's what we're seeing here. So an absorption to the upside. Meanwhile, the delta's red, so it means there's sellers going short here. But the bulls just pulled a quick one on them and said, yeah, not so fast. And we're going to go. But a lot of times that we see this, it gets retested. So what I'm thinking here is we could close this candle yellow or green, you know, up, positive. But we could have another candle, maybe not the next one, but maybe the third one. It comes and retests this area. And then from there, maybe we reshoot higher. Something that looks like, something that might look like this, you know. Maybe we go a little bit higher on the next one. Maybe we go a little bit lower on the third. And then from here, she goes. 1 second, guys. All right, all right, all right. What is going on? Market is still trying to go higher. Yikes. Yikes, yikes, yikes. Yeah, let's take a look at these higher time frames again. All right, so the 2 hour did put in this really nice candle here. Right now we're absorbing this big red candle on the 2 hour. This could turn green still. This could turn green. We still have plenty of time. We've got an hour and a half left there. The 30-minute here on the right is looking bullish, bullish, bullish. For sure, for sure. Look at that thing. So, I don't know. I don't know. This 4 hour, forget about it. The 4 hour looks beautiful. 4 hour looks wonderful. Ay, ay, ay. Who knows, guys? Who knows? She might just go to zero right now. She must go tap. She might go tap this little wick right here and just go straight down to zero. We'll see though. We're still in our trade. I just want you guys to keep you updated here. We still have our runner running, like Jackie Joyner Kersey. Or like Usain Bolt. We got the Usain Bolt of runners here. Come on, can she do it? Wow, ES is pumpalicious, guys. Let's take a look at the VIX. What is the VIX up to? VIX is dropping off a cliffski. There we go. Look at it. She's about to make a new low. The VIX is about to make a new low here, maybe down to the daily open. Meanwhile, the NQ looks like it's going to rocket. Yeah. Yeah, now she's putting in a little bit, something a little bit worrisome here on the 12-minute. This could be signaling a possible trap on the 12. I don't like it. I really don't like it. Let's see if we can break above VWAP first, and then we'll figure it out. Yeah, I think if we get the 19,225, That could be a good place to start thinking about taking profits if we start seeing some weakness, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure. 30 minutes still looks great. We got about 23 minutes left there in that candle, so that's hard. That's a hard one to really legitimize right now. 4 hour just looks redonkulously good though. I don't know. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Thank you guys for the likes. We're at 15 already. Let's see if we can make it to 50. We'll do a 50K eval giveaway. We'll do a 50K eval giveaway. Yeah, that's quite the pump there. I don't know if I like it though. This looks kind of trappy. If you guys know me, I'm all about the traps. This looks kind of trappy. I don't know. I don't know. I can't call it, Captain. I can't call it. But I'm getting kind of worried. Getting kind of worried. I may want to take her. Getting kind of worried there. Yeah, this is going to be a tough one here. Yikes. Yikes and zoinks. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take her, man. I think I'm gonna take her. Here. Just don't like the way that I don't like the way we're selling off right now. Yeah, she did not push through that VWAP as hard as I would have liked her to. I'm still waiting. Heard you're giving away 50 free evals tomorrow. Oof, man. I think you're on the wrong channel. I think you're looking for I think you're thinking of Top Step TV, but they don't even give away $1.50 off their evals for their 150K subscriber event. They won't even give you guys $1.50. They won't even give away an eval. What day is it tomorrow? Tomorrow's Tuesday. All day. I think we're gonna roll over here. I don't know. Something tells me we might roll over. I really do think there might be a rolly over coming. It's hard to say, man. It's hard to say. Because I do see the trap. I do see the trap for this, for the bulls. I do see the trap set for bulls. So if we don't start seeing some strength here, I may be very tempted to take profits. Which never hurt anybody before. Never hurt anyone before. Taking profits never killed anyone. And no one ever went broke taking them either. I'm gonna take them. I'm out of my trade. So we're up about 789 on each account here on the day. So we'll look for another entry. Right now I think these shorts might be in play. What's up, Michael? Smooth. Your green line is the VWAP. Yes, sir. It's the VWAP. Green line is a VWAP. Pink line is a 21. Yeah, if I'm wrong, I'll find another way to get in on this move. But still favoring longs. It's still favoring longs. I hope I didn't just shoot myself in the foot here. Gotta work on our patience here. What's the market structure in your opinion? Trend or range? I think we're gonna pump. I think we're gonna pump higher. I was showing everyone earlier, Michael, that the higher time frames look like they put in some bigger traps here. The 2 hour shows a nice trap here. The 30-minute here looks like continuation to the upside. The 4 hour here looks like a nice big trap to the downside with continuation. So I'm gonna continue trying to look for longs. That's my idea right now. I'm just gonna continue looking for longs. Wait, did I just show you anything? Sorry, I didn't show you anything, did I? Is my chart not changing? Oh, sorry about that. Yeah, so let me show you again. The 2 hour looks like a big delta trap here. The 30-minute looks like continuation. The 4 hour has a beautiful trap here. Beautiful trap. I think we could really rock it up here. So I'm going to continue looking for longs, I believe. Even though the short right now is a possibility because we do have a short-term trap here on a 12. This could bring us down to possibly this level once more before actually taking off higher. That's what I'm kind of thinking. I'm gonna see. So I got my eyes set on this level to the downside. See if we can test this wick, possibly even come and retest this area before popping back up. We'll see about that. And then up here we do have a possible little bit of resistance when we get there. Up here, same thing, overnight highs. We'll see. Yeah, 12-minute on the ES does not look great either. NQ not looking the hottest. You just never know when these things are gonna go in your favor. Unbiased, I see lower lows, lower highs, downtrend. I see VWAP holding, bulls trying to push up into the and failing. Yeah, I see that on the NQ. Now on the ES though, take a look at the ES. ES looks like bulls are actually maintaining their levels above VWAP right here. And let's not talk about the YM. So this could be the move. This could be setting up for something big. You know, like I said, the market never goes in a straight line. It never goes straight up or straight down. She does take a while sometimes to set up nicely. But I think I'm really going to prioritize longs, man. That's just my idea. That's just my idea. We're getting absorption on the lower time frames here to the downside, but that could turn into a reversal as well. We got about 1 minute 45 seconds left on the 12 and the 6, which could give us a move here. Interesting. Elon says he would like to live stream the audit of Fortnite. Yeah, he's been saying that. So one thing I've learned is mark your high of the day, mark your low of the day, avoid trades in the middle. Yeah, we're kind of at the low of the day, close to the low of the day, but I think we got a lot further to go, man. I think we do. Oh wow, oh wow, looking kind of strong there. Looking kind of strong. That bullish, that did turn into a bullish move there. That turned into a little bit of a bullish move there. Yeah. Don't fall for it just yet, though. Don't fall for it just yet. It could be a little bit of a bull trap still. I still think there's a possibility we come back here and retest this level. Careful with the moves here, guys. Careful with the moves here. She could give one more move down. But things are looking pretty pumpy. Yeah. Oops. Yeah, watch this move here. This move here could be something. Might be some continuation. All right, let's see if she moves back down into the 60s here. I think it's a possibility she could tap the 56. I did try to take this move back down here. Looks like it's working out for us at the moment. I'm gonna go ahead and move it to break even here. See if we can get a push down to 60. That'd be nice. I took that on my live account too. So we'll see if we can get green on everything. This might be a smooth move up. Yeah, I don't know. Publicity says I'm done for the day. Live trading on one session, paper trading on the second session. Good sessions overall. You have a good one, guys. Gotta go. Oil change. Oh yeah, I gotta get my oil change too, man. I gotta get my oil change too. Thanks for reminding me. All right, I think we might get this move into the 60s. I'm gonna hold into the 60s. If we get stopped, we're at break even on everything, so it'll be fine. Just sit tight and wait. Let's see if we can get this move, this push down. The only reason I took that was because I saw a little bit of a trap. I saw a little bit of a trap on the 12, and I don't expect it to do much. It might even break. It might even come and stop us out at break even, which it just did. It just did. All right, no worries. Should have taken that. System might be in play. We'll see. Yeah, sometimes she takes a little while to do what she's supposed to. She has 4 minutes left in this candles. Let's see what she wants. It's looking like a bull flag. She's looking like a bull flag. Might be what she ultimately wants here. Yeah, she could. Yeah, I don't know if this 12-minute play is over. Let me check the 30-minute. 30-minute looks like it's still continuation to the upside. Yeah. That's strange. Take a quick look at the VIX here, because we might be getting continuation to the upside. VIX is going lower, getting pushed down. Might be getting continuation. I think we're getting continuation possibly. We'll see. And we'll see here, guys. We'll see what she wants to do. Yeah, we'll see if it's a smooth move up or it's going to be a one more push down to under 1960. That's what I was thinking, that it could be a move down to under 1960. I don't know though. This could be. Yeah, she's got some volume to her to the upside right now. We'll see. Let's see what's on the radar. On the chopping block, I should say. About 24 seconds left in this 12-minute candle. Could be a move to the downside. We'll see. Pump is on the horizon here. We got a new candle on our hands. Yeah. That's what I thought here. This is going to be a move up. Yeah, looks like we might get a pretty hard move up here. See if we get this move up. Cool, she's pushing. I took the low in there, by the way. Let's see if we get some follow through here on the price. It looks like we might. foresee some continuation. All right, she's pushing here, guys. Let's see if she can push all the way up to 19,220. Made a little bit of a higher high here. Not sure what her intentions are at the moment. We're approaching that IB high. Let's see if we can break through. All right, she's trying to push higher here. The ES is approaching its daily open. YM is taking off like a rocket. NQ is still a lagger here. Good morning, Storm. What's going on, man? Good morning to you, brother. Hopefully you're doing well. Thank you guys for the likes. Thank you so much. All right, see if she pushes through here with some conviction. 46 seconds left on this candle on the 6. Let's see if we get some follow through here. The ES is looking great. Let's see if the NQ could follow suit. Yeah, it looks like she's trying. Trying to push here. Yeah, ES is looking fabulous. NQ is following. Check it out here. ES is going right for that daily open. It could be some fireworks here though. Let's see if she pushes through with some volume. NQ is trying. It is trying its little heart out. All right, there goes the ES. ES is pushing again. NQ trying. NQ's doing something. All right, she could make this run here. What's up, baby? Here we go. All right, NQ is going a little bit here. Our trade here is looking okay. GC soaring as well, really? All right, that's good to know. It's good to know. All right, we're up some here. Hopefully we could get to this 219 level. I have it marked out on my chart. It's a potentially good level for us. If we don't get stopped out here at the daily open on the ES, hopefully we get some continuation through that. Hopefully we see some continuation. At the moment, she is getting stopped here at the 15-minute opening IB high. She's getting stopped at IB high. Let's see if the NQ and ES have a little more to give here. I don't know. It's getting kind of ugly here. Let's see. See if the ES still has what it takes. Really haven't made it above that VWAP yet. I haven't really closed this good solid candle above it. Take a look at this 30. 30 looks like continuation. 2 looks great. 4 looks amazing. 25 looks like a good level. And the market's trying. Can't blame the market for trying. We're still going. Gold's doing some nasty numbers, says my Clay. All right, let's see if she pushes here. Let's get this push to the upside. All right, all right, all right. Back in the green, back in the green. Beautiful, beautiful. Back in the green. Let's see if we can break through this last high here at the IB high, 191. Let's see if there might be some strength left in this move after all. See if we can break through the daily open here on the S&P. Yeah, dude, we might get a spill, man. Might end up getting a spill. Thanks. It's gonna be a tough move here. Let's see the VIX. See what the VIX is up to. The VIX is trying to climb. NQ and the ES are trying to climb as well, but it looked like they might be dropping for a few. We might get stopped. It looks like we might be getting stopped here. Not yet, not yet. Okay. Still a chance in this move. So we're going to get stopped after all, are we? Yeah, it's going to be a nasty low stop here. Not yet. Oh, she still has mercy on us. Possible. It's possible. Could she be gaining her strength here? She'll be crazy if she does. Nope. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see if there's any strength. Bull stepping in. Can they do it? Can they do it? Can the Bulls do it? Looks like they're trying. The ES is having a lot easier time than NQ, I'll tell you that much. But once we do solidly get above the VWAP on the NQ, I think she's going to fly. If I'm not mistaken. I think she'll fly. If we can get up there. That's the only question. Can she get up there? Yeah, she's trying at the moment here. Let's see if she can do it with some volume. Let's see if she can push through with some volume. Nothing yet. Still more chop, still more chop. Not surprised. Six. No, she's trying to push. Come on, baby doll. Let's see if you can get above that 15-minute opening range. I know you can do it. I know you want to do it. Just no volume here at the moment. See, we get the solid break through the VWAP here, hopefully, finally. And let's see if we can get the ES to move above the daily. This will be some good stuff. What's up, son? Sun Jin Park, how you doing, my friend? Thank you for joining us. Remember, guys, 50 likes, we'll get a 50K eval going. All right, looks like we might be moving. We might be getting that push. Hopefully we do. Should be a nice breakthrough if we can get it. We need that volume. We certainly do need that volume. If we can get it. Let's see if we can get this volume here. A good volume spike to the upside. ES is desperately trying to get above the daily open, trying to get green on the day. NQ looks like it is trying to get above that IB high. And it's 11 a.m. That means that more than likely we have put in the low of the day. It's 11:20 right now. All right, cool. We haven't been stopped out on our trade, so that's good. Super high resistance day. It was tough trading this morning. Yeah, I bet, son. I bet it was, man. All right, let's see if we can get this push here. If we can get this push, it'll be a nice little push up into, I think, 220s, the 220s here for the NQ, if we can get that. If we can get this push, a solid push. Yeah, looks like ES is trying to do its best here. NQ right behind. Hoping this will be the push to get us there. All right, ES is pushing hard right now. All right. Yeah, YM too, man. YM is looking great today. All right. Nice, we're in the green. Let's see if we could break through this IB high. She's trying. Trying to get above that IB high. ES made a higher high. Let's see if the NQ could do the same thing. All right, it's trying to go for that push now. Maybe we can get an explosive move here if we can start closing these candles above VWAP. Come on, we just need that push here above IB high. We need to get through the 190s. If we get through those 190s, then I think it'll be smooth sailing for the NQ here. Delta's still looking decent. No signs of traps yet. Yeah, very good, very good. Our trade's still looking decent. Looking to take hopefully profits here at 219 if we can. Our live trade is nicely in the green also. Also looking to take profits here at around 219 as well. Let's see if we can get that push, that real nice push. Come on, push, baby. Push into the 213s. I think we could take some risk off here. Hope we can hit the mark. We've been having a lot of resistance, so hopefully we can hit the mark here. All right, we're going to take profits on our live account here, partials, I think. Yeah, that was a nice push. That was a real nice push. Oh, come on. Don't start playing games now. Give us a nice little push into the 220 at least. All right, we got, cool. We got 2 off there. We're gonna get 2 off here as well. All right, let's see if we can take another 2 off here. Oh, we're good, we're out. Live account is in the green today, guys. Congrats, congrats. 200 bucks on a live account. Nice, nice. And our what's the name is doing really well here. Our eval is doing really well today. We're up over $1,000 on the day. On micros, guys. Just micros. Just micros, man. All right, let's see if she keeps pushing here. I'm thinking. All right, so let's see what the delta looks like. The delta is looking kind of, to be honest, a little suspect on the shorter time frames. So I might take that second. Hit right now. Let's see if we can sell 6 right here. Let's see if we can, and I'll trailer as well. I'll trailer here. I'm hoping she hits this higher number before she hits the lower one. Target hit, super high resistance day. Nice trade, says Sun Jim Park. Are you in South Korea, brother, or are you in the States? I had the same idea, but got out early. Yeah, God is good, guys. God is good, man. $200 on the day on my live account. Crushing it today on the evals. I live in Utah, but from South Korea. Cool, man. You ever go back to South Korea? Yeah, God is good for sure, man. I'd like to visit South Korea one day. I'd like to visit everywhere in the world. All right, let's see if we can get the second one off here. Come on, girl. Come on, baby. Come on, guys. 50 likes and we got a 50K eval giveaway today. I don't know if I got to sing and dance for you guys to get likes, but I'll do it. I'll do it. Well, either way, we are a winning trade in our hands here. Either we get stopped out in profits or we take a nice TP here at 238. And one thing I want to mention to you guys is that my trading style has changed so much. Normally, I would have been trying to fight that move the whole way up. But instead of that, I just look at the higher time frames and go with the flow, go with the trend, instead of trying to be the liquidity, I should say. I don't want to be anyone's liquidity. I'm kind of glad I took profits on my live account here because I'm not too sure what the market may do at the moment. We have a little bit right here. Let's take a look at our 12. I have a little bit of suspicion here that this little pop here could give us a rollover for a little bit. When we look at delta, we always look for these delta traps, and when we have blow off tops, a lot of times we come with a little reversal. So I think we are probably getting a reversal now. See here, that was that little trap to the upside, and we are getting that move down. So with that being said, we're going to get stopped out in profits here more than likely right now. Let's see which one it is. Do we get stopped here or does she reverse? I think she goes higher. Ultimately, I think she goes higher here. Lived in South Korea for 3 years in Daegu. Oh, wow. Very nice, Joanna. Parents are still there, so I go there often. Cool, man. Wow, you guys got some. Oh, yeah, I'm stopped out in profits. Very good. So we are up nicely, handsomely, $1,200 on 2 accounts, $2,400 on a day, guys. That is beautiful. That is a beautiful thing. That is God's work for sure. Yeah, we've got 21.27 in equity in this one, and we've got 21.496 in equity in that one. So we're getting close. We're almost halfway there. Almost halfway there with these little base hits, not risking the whole account, not going crazy with minis. You know, maybe one day when we have 50K in the account for real. When we have 50K in the account for real, then we'll talk about minis. Right now, micros are just fine. We're just fine. Take it slow and steady, guys, until we win the race. Until we win the race. So this morning, I had a parent-teacher conference with my daughter. She's doing so good in school, by the way. I had a parent-teacher conference, and I think I'm not sure if he's the administrator, principal, something. He's one of the admins there at the school. He said that my daughter is on track to graduating in 2030, and I said, wait, 2030? 2030? I was like, I graduated in 1999. Talking about high school, right? I'm like, I'm old, bro. My daughter's gonna graduate in 2030. That is crazy. Did you guys ever? If you guys have kids that graduated from high school, when you first heard the year that they were gonna graduate, how did that make you feel? And then I realized, I'm like, yeah, I was 31 years old when I had her. So when did I expect for her to graduate? So our theme song was "Party Like It Was 1999" for our graduation, and. Yeah, we had a blast, man. 1999 was that year. It's a good year. It's a good year, guys. It's a good year. Nothing but good stuff happened in 99. And except for Y2K, right? But then and then I heard about my daughter graduating in 2030. I'm like, holy smokes, man. Time flies. Time flies, man. It really does. I remember it was just like yesterday, man. I was graduating. Crazy stuff. Time waits for no man. Time waits for no man, for sure. Let's take a look at our charts, guys, and see what is the matter here. So she's retesting this VWAP. Good thing we took profits. Good thing we did the right thing and took profits here. Close again, stopped out on my live account, though. I am not going to lie. I missed us by like a few ticks. A few ticks. But my trading has progressed a lot too in that capacity, where I leave my stops now in territories where they're less likely to get hit. In the past, I used to trade with a lot of fear and put my stops way too close, and they get tapped all the time. And I would take like 2 or 3 of those, and then I'd get stopped 2 or 3 times. It was just as bad as having a stop where I should have had it. So on my trade, the one I just, on my live account, I had my stop right here. Actually, no, I apologize. That's where I had my stop on my eval. I had my stop right here. And the reason why I had it here was because we had a bullish candle, which shows that the bulls are in the market. But we had a tweezer top. We had a tweezer here. We had a doji candle, which means there was a lot of fighting happening here. Bulls are really holding this level up. So I said, if bulls can't hold this level, I'm out of this trade anyway. So I took the long too early. I took the long, I believe, in here somewhere, because I thought it was going to break out. Took it too early. It came back. It came back to test this, as you guys know. It came back to test this right in here. Look how close they got. They got really close. They got to 114. My stop was at 108. So I got really close there. But the old me would have probably had my stop loss probably like right here at 129. I would have definitely got stopped there. Would have taken L. Then I would have probably I would have been mad and missed the re-entry and then tilted the rest of the day. Who knows? But having your stop in a place where it makes sense and not just where your fear tells you to put it is a game changer, a super game changer. So for me, I look for areas where I see that bulls or bears were defending those levels, and that's where I put my stop now. Even if it's scary, even if it's, what was that? That was like 160 down to, that's like 53 points. Never, ever, ever would I have ever said, yeah, 53 point stop, that's what I want. Sign me up. Time flies. My boys are 25 and 21. People think I am their sister. That's crazy. Yeah, my daughters are 10 and 12, and I already feel old. That's crazy. I usually put my profit target a few ticks below what I think is a resistance. Yeah, that's smart too. That's smart. That's very smart. Yeah. To be honest with you guys, I think I'm done trading for the day on my live account. My evals, only if I see some beautiful setups, I will take them. But yeah, man, it's been a productive day. It's been a good day. I think our trading has really, really improved drastically. Let's look at our win rate for today. Let's see where we're at. All right, so this is our win rate on the evaluations today. So we have a 75% win rate on the day. We've taken all trades. We've taken 8 trades today, 48 contracts, because 48 contracts are minis. I'm entering with 3 apiece. Profitable trade 75%. Our expectancy is 161. Are you able to see my chart? Sorry. Are you guys able? There we go. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, so our expectancy is 161. Commissions paid $43. Total P&L is $12.49. So our largest winning trade was $625. Average winning trade $249. Average hold time for a win was 18 minutes. That's a big improvement from where I was before. I used to be at like 18 seconds or a minute and 8 seconds. So this is a big improvement for me. Longest winning trade was 50 minutes. That's cool. Max run up was 1470. Now this is important too, guys. My biggest loser, largest losing trade, $201. That's big. You gotta make sure your profit factors are like this, man. You add into your winners, and then you let your losers take small losses. Overall today, 75% win rate, 25% loss rate. We took one small loss for $200, and yeah, we're almost there. We're getting there. So I hope I can keep trading this way. To be honest with you, it's more about following my intuition and just being convicted on the trade and letting the trade do its thing, instead of trading scared all the time and with a fear of losing money. That'll wreck you. So right here, this yellow candle right here came down, got absorbed by the bulls. Barely had any delta here though. Barely had any delta here, but it got absorbed either way, pretty strong. So if I was to take a long right now, I'd be putting my stop somewhere in here, more than likely. I think this area will get retested. I do think this area is going to get retested. So let me go ahead and do this. I think this area is going to get retested. So this was the demand zone here. I think we might even retest it like this. We'll see. What's up, Laughter? Crude has been gushing all day, huh? Oh, man. Careful with those puns, man. They're a slippery slope, especially when you're talking about crude. Very good performance. Thank you, Joe, and I appreciate that. I mean, you had to see my performance when I started this stream a couple months ago. It was very, very much the opposite. I've gotten a lot better, guys, because we have a small little Discord group, like a little accountability group, where at the end of the day we have to report to each other. And if we're not following our ideas and we're not following our strategy, then we have people to be accountable to. Now, I think that was the biggest missing piece of my trading, is not having anyone to really lean on or get feedback from. So if you guys think you need something like that too, feel free to join the group, guys. We have a new group starting up, I believe, next month. Go to our Discord and go to the channel that says Stars Program, and just say I'm interested, or just put your hand up, and I'll have Armana. He'll get back to you guys and tell you what to look forward to and what to expect. But it's a no-brainer, guys. It's helped my trading. It's helped the guys trading. Pop by. We have Michael in there. We have Armana. Armana has really, really said his trading has improved. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and check it out. Not too shabby. All right. ES is still pumping hard. Remember this morning, my Clyde, when I told you I want to leave my long and just leave it from right here. I think my entry was at 1922. Yeah, leaving that trade open for the day would have been nice. But we still caught an equivalent secondary trade here. We even caught a short in here. We caught a long in here. So I think we did a little better than just leaving it open the whole time. The market is moving. She is moving and grooving. So I think this trap has played out. This trap that I showed you guys here, I think that's played out. I think it ended up being this recovery here down to close to the VWAP. And now if we can make it past this level here over 240, we'll be looking at our next target here at the overnight highs. Overnight highs are sitting at 275 at the moment. Keep that on your charts there. We'll do that on Discord, you said? Yeah, that's Discord. I'll show you the group where you would go. We've been there. I am learning every day. Yeah, for sure. Admit, if you're interested, brother, talk to Armana in there, man. He's setting it up. Yeah, I'll show you guys where to go. When you go to Discord, go here to where it says on the channel Stars Program. And in the Stars Program, you will see people putting up there, like biblical. He just said, am I a star? So just go in here and just say, hey guys, I'm interested. I'll put let me see if I can put the direct link for this. Notifications, charts, pin, show member list. If I can share this, update ready. I don't know if I can share that. Can I share this? I know I can share this directly, but how? Use the notification bell, pin messages. Mitt's in the house. He said he's interested. Pin messages, show member lists, and I have no idea where. I know there's a way. Yeah. Well, you guys will figure it out. Just go in here, Stars Program. The Discord is pinned in the chat. The link is right there in the chat. So if you guys want to go there and check it out, by all means, please go right ahead. All right, we're pushing through here. And it looks like the next target is going to be these overnight highs at 275. Today was a very good day that the market actually did show his hand and did exactly what it showed us. On the higher time frames here, on the 30-minute, guys, the delta still looks very strong. You see this cluster of delta right here? This cluster of delta that we have right here is signaling to me that we are still strong. The big bear trap that we had here on the 2 hour, this made me feel real bullish about this move back up today. And let's not even talk about the 4 hour. The 4 hour looked amazing here too. We're just getting warmed up here on the 4 hour. I think we can push to Wednesday. We might be pushing till Wednesday to that 20,000 level. That's kind of what I'm thinking. It's kind of what I'm thinking. What's the VIX up to? We haven't checked on the VIX. VIX is dumping hard. Look at her go. VIX is dumping hard. I think I'm gonna go long on Bitcoin. I think I might go long on Bitcoin because that Bitcoin move this morning. Yeah, Bitcoin went right up to the trend line. I knew this move was coming this morning. I don't know if you guys remember me saying, but I think Bitcoin is ready to pop too. Yeah, this was a beautiful. Look at that. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe the move is done. Who knows? You know, while we're there, let's take a look at some of the others. Let's take a look at some of the others there. Yeah. Okay, so let's take a look at gold again. Gold is looking kind of toppy. Tesla is still running here. She's not up that much. I think she opened the day at 249 and she's only up to 253. So she hasn't ripped that much. She had a pretty nasty spill. Nvidia's really not pushing either. What's pushing this market up then? I don't know. Oh wait, this is a 4 hour. Let me go to the 12 minute. Yeah, well, she's not really doing much either. Let's look at the 30 minute instead. Oh man. I don't know. Nvidia's looking kind of weak. If she can't get past 106, she's gonna have a hard time. What a gap down. What a gap down. Let's look at Tesla again. Tesla's looking stronger. Tesla did break through its highs of the day. Tesla's kind of leading the way. Microsoft is trying, but it's got a ways to go before the daily open. Meta's doing pretty good. Google looks good. Amazon is still trying. We got Apple over here. Looking kind of toppy. Let's look at the 10-year. 10-year bond. Dropping pretty hard. Let's look at the oil. Ooh, oil. Laughter wasn't lying. About to start paying more at the pump. Good thing we're winning our trades. Look at her. Yeah, she still looks strong. She looks like she's still going to go. And like I said, gold is looking kind of toppy. I don't know where she'll go next, but she's looking kind of toppy. Yeah. Platinum is kind of strong today. Look at Ethereum. Ethereum's taking a beating, man. ES is going for my early target at 56.10. Yeah, probably. Yeah, Armani says to start a new group next week. He just put the link in there. Cool, cool, cool. Yeah, Ethereum's been taking a beating, man. We made it under 18,000. I mean, 1,800. We made it 1,700. Now we're getting a little bit of a push here. Take a look at the 4-hour on Ethereum. Yeah, this looks like a good bottom on Ethereum. Really good bottom. Yeah, I think the market may have, maybe might have caught a second wind here. I like the way Ethereum looks. Ethereum's got some. Yeah, look, if she can continue this momentum here, looks like she could do something. Yeah, Ethereum's having a good day, up 2%. Yeah, she's been a lagger though. She's been a lagger. Maybe FDI is giving bullish today. MET and MBT tradable on Top Step. What's MET? MET and MBT. Micro Bitcoin and micro Ethereum. Is that what that is? Yeah, I know. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, laughter they are. You're the one who told me about that, I think. Yeah, ETH is looking good though, for sure. I'm about to take a long on ETH. I'm about to take a long on Ethereum. I actually, instead of just saying that and then tomorrow I'll be like, oh, I should have taken it when I said it. I'm just going to take it now. I take it on leverage exchange though. If you guys want, I can pin the leverage exchange I use in the description. 1 second, guys, please. All right, let's see what we can do. Contract. Let's see if we could do a BTC or an Ethereum. ETH. Where you at, ETH? ETH USDT. Let's take a long. We're going to use $10X. Take a look at that ETH one more time. $7.69. All right, let's see if we can get this ETH order. No, we're in already. Wow. $18.45. Let me see if I can put in my stop loss already at 1768. Yeah, trading on leverage exchanges is a lot different than trading on futures. Let's see where our take profit. We want our take profit to be at 1995. 1995. And I think we're good. 1995 will make us 80 bucks. Cool. 41 bucks. Awesome. Confirm. We're set. That's what it looks like that. Something like this. I don't know if you guys can see that. So we're long right now. We're long right now from 1845, I believe. Yeah, we're long from 1845. We're going to take profits at 1995 on Ethereum, and our stop is at 1768. So we'll see about that. Wish me luck. All right. Market's still grinding here. Still at 250, right where I left her. Been using it for a year. Love it. Loved using TradingView. Same thing pretty much. Okay. All right. Anything new in the world? Yeah, the delta just continues getting stronger, in my opinion. She's still going to move higher here. She's still going to go higher. Delta is just looking great. She is she's gonna most likely short squeeze here, guys. She's gonna short squeeze and just start going grinding higher, higher, higher. It's kind of what it's looking like. Kind of like what it looks like. Let's see. That's hilarious. This is really funny. Check this out, guys. People are rebranding their Teslas in order to not get vandalized. Look at that. This guy put a Toyota sticker on his Tesla. This guy put an Audi on his Tesla. Someone else did a Mazda. This person put a Mazda on their Model S. That's hilarious. That is too funny. Anything to not get vandalized, huh? Yeah, so I'm pretty much done trading on the day. I have another eval that I can probably start breaking into, but I will take another trade if I see a good entry. But at the moment, this is looking like probably a slow grind to the upside. Yeah. Let's see. Footage of Tupac confronting Tyler. What's she gonna do here, guys? What can she do? She might be getting a little toppy here for a little bit. We'll see. We'll see. Remember, we said we might have a slow grind on our hands, but she might also be topping out here at the overnight high for a little while. Remember what I said, is she can roll over, possibly get back here to the 19,100s before maybe going higher. If she does decide to roll over here, then we'll probably see that. Put a Bentley on a Honda. That's true. We could do that too. Go the opposite way. Yeah, if I had a choice, I don't think I'd be putting a Mazda sticker on the Tesla. I'd be doing like something crazy, like it kind of looks like the Aston Martin. The Aston Martin has something that looks like the Model Y. Very similar look. Very similar. $19 likes, guys. Can we get to 20? Can we get to 20? If we get to 20, oh, there we go. I'll give you guys a dad joke. Here's a dad joke. Dad joke of the day. You guys ready? Are you guys sitting down? I hope you guys are sitting down for this one. So the other day, I wasn't feeling good. I had a little bit of brain fog, so I went to the doctor. And the doctor told me I might need a brain transplant. So I was gonna get a brain transplant, but then I changed my mind. There you go, guys. There you go. That's the dad joke of the day. Maybe the lead up was too much. Maybe I should have just said I was gonna get a brain transplant, but then I changed my mind. There you go. Boom. 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 Mo's like, boo. You guys are horrible, man. You guys are horrible. How is a man supposed to? Let's see if we can make some money with trade day. Give trade day a little spin here. Let's log out and move into our trade day eval maybe. Stack some money on trade day. Yeah, I think we have let's see if we get the slow grind higher, or maybe we get a move back down. We'll see. 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. All right, we're back. We're back, guys. We are back and better than ever. Welcome to the Discord, Joanna. I just got the message that you're in the club. In the club. Right. Yeah, I don't think the short's gonna play out just yet. Let's see here. Or if there is a short to play out. Because she's still strong. Still very strong. VIX is still pushing down. Let's look at the ES here. The ES is looking still pretty strong here. I think we just get a slow grind higher. When you join, you can pick roll. Yeah, so let's see if we can possibly get the market here to go to our next level that we're eyeing up here is the daily open or the overnight high. We just missed it, but that's 274. That's right around the corner. If we can get through that, the daily open will allow this this day to turn green. Right now, believe it or not, even though it's looked like a bullish day so far, we're still red on the day. We're still down. The ES is slightly green at 5,600. The YM is really green at 41,960. And we are still looking at the NQ here struggling to get above daily open. Probably because of NVIDIA. NVIDIA is looking kind of weak still, or was weak last time I checked it. Let's see if we can possibly get these numbers higher. Same time that we are putting in kind of toppy signals, but we will be patient. Really is no reason to feel that way just yet. I feel like she has more momentum still. How many of you guys have a Stanley that your wives bought you? How many of you guys bought your own Stanley? I'm a guy from an old school that I've used plastic water bottles forever. And when my wife told me that these things were north of $40, I almost lost it. Hold on a second, guys. Yeah, so my wife buys me this water bottle. She actually had to buy it for me twice. Because the first time I made her return it when I found out it was $40. Because I said I already have a water bottle. And I had an older like Yeti. It was a white one, but she's like, "Oh, you don't look right wearing or having a white Yeti at the gym. Looks weird." I'm like, "I don't care about a water bottle." So she buys it for me a second time, a bigger version. And yeah, I mean, I use it all the time. I use it every day. So she won. Keeps water nice and cold, man, from one day to the next. But I don't think guys are. See, thank God for women. Could guys never think of these things? I mean, I don't. I don't see what the big deal is with. I don't see what the big deal is with Stanleys, but hey, whatever. Maybe we'll look back 10 years from now. Remember those Stanleys everyone used to have? We start every day at around 9 to 9:15, Joanne, pre-market. Try to get maybe 15 to 30 minutes pre-market, depending how my morning is. Okay. She's looking kind of toppy here. She might give us a little bit of a rollover, just a tiny one. I'm thinking it's possible. She could possibly give us something. I'm looking at this. This here was a little bit of a trap. Now this here is starting to look like possibly a breakout trap here. Kind of like it. I would say I'd take it to about 175. So I just took this on a fresh eval here with Trade Day. Let's see if we can get it down to 175. We could get a bounce at the ES at 55 at the daily open there. But I think we could make a little bit of a move down to 19,175. There's a whole fresh new eval here. First trade. Let's see if we can nail a green trade. As a matter of fact, might do 2. And then we'll leave a runner. You just never know where these things might go. Eastern time, yeah. Yeah, we're Eastern time. I'm in Florida, so yeah, Eastern time. Whereabouts are you, Joanna? What part of the world might you be in? California, hey, huh? What side? Joanna. Were you into, no, are you originally from California or you live there now? Laughter's gonna be like, I'm from California too. You know, Laughter's from California. Originally from Poland, but live in SoCal. Nice, man. SoCal's nice. Does it ever rain there? I heard it never rains in Southern California. I always wonder if it. I remember when I did go visit my friend in California. He was living in what's that called? Where the Chargers? San Diego. He was living in San Diego, and yeah, it was always very dry. Even one day it was like rainy, like kind of like drizzly, but it was like a mist. It wasn't even like a rain. It was weird. I guess it really doesn't rain there that much. Today, right now, I'm in Laguna Beach. Wow, man, Laguna Beach is beautiful. That's over in that's the Orange County, right? I've been to Laguna Beach. I got pictures, man. I got pictures when I went to Laguna Beach. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Very nice. Let me see if I can find it. It's rainy today? Ooh. I jinxed it. Let me see if I can find my pictures from Laguna Beach. And that was back in 19... Was it 19? I think it was in 19. I did a lot of traveling back in 19, prior to COVID. I had a different lifestyle back then. It was a bit more flashy, you could say. We're getting that push. Oh, we got our first TP. Look at that. We got our first TP. Start off that account very nice. Let's go ahead and protect our entry here, and then we'll leave this runner here. See if we get a continuation. You guys know why I took that trade, right? You guys saw the trap setup? I don't know if you guys saw it, but that's why I took it. I didn't expect it to do much, but do something. Man, I got a lot of great memories. A lot of great memories. You guys want to see our mascot for our last Well, for my real estate company. Let's see if I can share this. Can I share my whole screen? I think I can, right? What's up, Tank? Passed 20 pack Apex evals today. What? Look at that, brother. Today in one day. Gonna take the PAs slow now? Good for you, man. Yeah, good for you. All right, let's see if I can add a source here. I'm gonna add a source and show you guys my phone, maybe? Can I show you guys my phone? I think I can do that. Let me see if I can add a source. Let's see if we can show you guys some pictures. No, not there. Cancel. It's garbage. Video capture device. Mac OS capture. Route capture card device. I think it might be here. Maybe if I plug in. I think I might be able to do if I plug in. Let's see if this works. Sorry about that, guys. OBS, Spotify Premium, Siri, OBS, Windows, Spotify, OBS, Google. Try to dock. Nah. I'm just gonna airdrop the pictures. I'm just gonna airdrop the pictures and you guys can see them. All right. She's reversing up higher. We'll probably get stopped here. I do believe in the long. Remember I told you guys to watch this little area here because this was a demand zone. So we could pop here higher. But if we don't and we come a little bit lower, then I'll be ready for her. All right, check this out. This was our mascot right here on our right hand side. This is my wife on the left-hand side right here. And that's just some random. This is one of my real estate agents, Carlos. He's a beast. This was our booth at the real estate convention in Atlantic City. This was our merch we're giving away. Mascot. Cameras, another one of our agents. We had the cornhole set up. Oh, karaoke. That's what we were doing. Yeah, that was a lot of fun. Good times. Good times. Yeah, I'm gonna look for my pictures from SoCal when I was there. Wow, we just got saved by a tick here. Look at that. Holy moly. We just got saved by a tick. I don't know what's gonna happen. I really don't. But we got saved by a tick. Let me show you the pictures from Laguna Beach, if I can find them. So I was invited to Laguna Beach, that area, Orange County, by a company named auction.com that I used to do presentations for. Their headquarters was around there. So when I went there on their dime, which was awesome, I rented a car. It was kind of like those things you do only once in a blue moon to just kind of spoil yourself. I'm trying to see if I can find it. I don't even remember what year it was. I think it was 2019, 2020. I mean 2018, 2019, something like that. Oh, I can just look it up by location. California. Search. I think I can. Can I? Cancel. Still looking here. I'll find them. If not, we'll. Oh, we got stopped out. All right, yeah. I think this market's gonna move higher now. We had a little dip there. That's all she probably will give us. That's probably all she'll give us, a dip. Dip, baby, dip. Dip, baby, dip. We did a lot of real estate, guys. Our real estate company was one of the business I was so proud of, man. Very, very proud of. We would sell on average 350 homes a year. But then COVID came, and I said, this is my opportunity to get out. It's my opportunity to get out. Out of Jersey, that is. Not out of real estate. I still have plans for real estate. Real estate is still not so much running a real estate company anymore, because that I've been there, done that. Don't want to do that again. But as far as like real estate investing, that's something that will always be with me. And I think there's a great opportunity coming up in real estate investing, especially in the commercial sector. It's going to be some huge opportunities to become very wealthy. It wasn't in 2020, because 2020 I was already... Well, was it 2020? Was it in 2020? I don't think so. I really do think it was 2019. Let me just keep looking. Yeah, I don't even know if I used my phone. Maybe I used a different camera. I might have used a different camera. We're gonna see. Either way, I'll show you guys some cool pictures from back in the day, if I find any cool ones. I'll show you guys a picture of my studio. I used to have a studio in my real estate office. This was really cool. This is something else I was very proud of was my studio. So this was the lower level of our office. This was one of our producers, cameramen. Here, Mike. He's a beast. This guy is such a good editor. So we did the whole base of the wall in kind of like an antique vintage tin, corrugated tin, like the tin they used to use like on roofs. It looks so cool in real life because it had that patina to it, the rust. It was just so cool. Then we had here the chair rail, and then all of this, the walls and the ceiling was all soundproofing. And then I don't know if you noticed, but here there's actually a TV in the background, and the TV actually had the same image as the soundproofing as a backdrop to our logo here. And then we had the lighting everywhere, cameras everywhere, and then we put in AstroTurf on the floor for more soundproofing with our company's initials in it. It was really cool little setup. Very cool. All right, market's still pumping. Market is still pumping. Let me see if I can find some more pics to show you guys. But I'm really looking for the ones from California. The ones from California were awesome. Was it in September? Ay, ay, ay. Let's see if we can find it. Glad to hear you survived the COVID BS. Yeah, I did and I didn't. Our overhead was very high to operate our real estate company. So the moment COVID hit, we started bleeding money. So we had to do something. I'm going to show you a couple pictures. Maybe I can find... I'm going to show you a couple pictures here of my dad's farm. I'm partially owners with him in it, in a way, because I bought it. I bought it with him, but I always say it's his because it is my dad's. It was his lifelong dream to have his own farm, and when he retired, I helped him get one. Let me see if I can show you these. So this is mountains in Guatemala. Really, really nice area right around the corner from our house there. That's my dad, my old man with a machete in his hand. Here's the cows, guys. This is when you know you've made it. When you've got your own produce, you got your own cows, you got your own meat, your own chickens. That's beautiful. And look at this, beautiful. We have, I don't even know what kind of fruit this is. I think these are grapefruits or pamelas, something like that. There's my man, my old man. All his fruit trees. He's in heaven. This is the duck with the ducklings. Yeah, this is my daughters love this. They love that. Some more baby cows here. Some more cows. Yeah, that's our. Yeah, it was really nice, man. Very nice, very nice. I'm just closing out some screens, guys. Yeah, very good times. Yeah, that's beautiful, man. Get your own meat, guys. Your own chickens, your own everything, your own vegetables. I mean, that's when you know you made it. When you got your own everything. I'm still looking though. I'm still looking for these pictures from California. Such a long time ago. I think I have them on my phone. I hope I'm not just looking for no reason. I think I have them though. I'm just keeping an eye on the market here too to see what we could do, if we could take a trade. That long was probably the right move to make, since the market is so bullish today. Look at the size of the avocados from my dad's farm. Look at the size of the avocados. This is crazy. Those are 100% organic avocados. Insane. Insane. Hope I'm not losing you guys here. Just trying to keep you guys entertained while the market does something. Does anything. We might have to poke it with a stick for it to do something. I never thought it'd be this hard to find these pictures. I really don't know if I'm going to have them in here. I might have taken them with a camera, but I don't think so. Oh, here we go. We found them. We found them. We found them. All right, cool. We found our pictures from Laguna Beach. All right, here we go. Yeah, it's a lot of pictures. It's about 30 pictures. Oh, all right, let's go. All right, they're sending over now. Yeah, the market's pushing. Come on. Yeah, it's gonna rip to the daily open next here. That's pretty much a given here. All right, we're getting the pictures in. Cool. All right, let's see if we can. All right, check it out, guys. This is, I mean, beautiful. That's my dad's avocados. Okay, look at that. Look at that view, man. That view is just something else. It's gorgeous. These are people that have their houses right alongside the beach here. Really, really nice views here. Sorry, some of these might be nice panoramic picture here. This park is really nice too. Look at this tree. Beautiful veg. I mean, you guys have a beautiful state, man. California is just something else. California is just beautiful, man. It's a jewel of the United States for sure. Very beautiful. Look at these rocks, man. The formations the ocean makes. Very nice. Dana Point. Is that what that is? Sounds about right. It's so gorgeous, man. So gorgeous. Look at this, guys. This is California, man. So beautiful. Water's so clear. That's me. I'm thinking I'm cool because I'm wearing my suit after I got done with my meeting. Oh, this is the car I rented. I thought I was a big shot. I rented this car for the weekend. Everybody, I think it had a license plate that said Batman on it. That's hilarious. It's been a while. My Pitbull stage. And I think that was it. Yeah, auction.com. That was the company I did the presentation for. And that was it, man. That was it, guys. That was my story, and I'm sticking to it. Poland is nice. Went lots of weekends there as a teenager. It is. I lived 10 years in Washington State. Had a nice time there. We had a baby in time. We'll start it up next year. I'll buy a house from him. Yeah, no worries, guys. Yeah, I like California's beautiful, man. But the only part I think I really have enjoyed the most is Orange County. Yeah, I mean, I've loved it's so nice. I haven't been to obviously a lot of places there. San Diego was nice, but Orange County I just think was on like a different level. Nice. All right, we got the market here pushing up higher, and let me just close out these pictures real quick, guys. Let's clear up my browser. Cool. All right. Let's see what the market is got in store for us here. After we had this little move down, it looks like we are now getting higher and higher delta. We're probably pushing to this daily open next. And I think that's exactly what you may want to do. Let's take a look real quick at the 30-minute time frame here is not looking the hottest. I'll tell you guys why. Because we had all this momentum going up, then we had a little bit of a stop, and now we're having another push higher. We've got about a whole full 30 minutes almost left in this thing here. But this could lead to a rollover soon, not right now. Maybe after we tap into the daily open or last week's low, we could have a rollover because it is setting up for a little bit of a trap here on the delta. If you guys look at the delta, it's setting up a little bit of a trap. We'll see though, we'll see. The 2 hour here on our left hand side is still going strong, and 6 minute looks like it probably just did give us a little bit of a pullback. The 6 minute shows that, and then I think we're good. I think we're all right now. I think we're going to push a little bit higher, then maybe have a little bit of a spill, maybe at the daily open. We'll see. Ocean County has a different vibe for sure. We are more laid back peeps. Yeah, and you guys are also not crazy. The majority of California is crazy. Joanna says, I give you the roll. Just check. Okay, cool. Yeah, guys, we got 21 likes. If we get to 50, if we get to 50, we'll do a 50K eval giveaway. I don't know if we can make it today. If you guys really try your hardest, maybe call your friends, forward this to your friends, and tell them to like the stream for a chance to get a 50K eval. Yeah, you guys are a little bit less crazy. Oops. 22 likes. All right, so let's see if there's anything going on here with the VIX. What the VIX is trying to do. The VIX is still dropping here. It's still dropping, but I think, correct me if I'm wrong here, guys. I think the VIX may find its second wind. Something tells me it might. I don't know about right now, but I think soon it might have a little bit of reversal, resurgence, whatever you may want to call it. We're getting a little bit of a higher low here on the momentum, putting in for a bullish divergence if we can get this thing to roll back higher. Meanwhile, we're seeing a little bit of softness here on the NQ, ES, a little short of the daily open. YM looks like it's double topping as well. We'll see. We'll see what she has, guys. We'll see what she has. So today, pretty good day, guys. Let's update our totals. So we did 2,400 on the Tradefy evals. We did 160 here on the trade day eval. It's 2,560. We did $200 on our live account, which is good, guys. Which is really good. I'm telling you, it's really good. 2,600. Let's save that. Okay, so we're good right now in the day. cool. Very good, very good. Joanne says she's up 11. Oh, that's good. 11:30. Nice, good for you. Let's give Joanne some love here in the chat, guys. Let's show her some. Let's give her some confetti here at least. With one micro, up 200 bucks is Romana. Good for you, man. Any money is good money. Are you trading live or is that a prop firm? Very stressful years, says says laughter. Yeah. You're on Top Step X? Cool. Very nice. Very nice. So I think we have to trade our trade days for like 7 days. So $160 day today is not bad. Really, you would want to shoot for 300, 400 bucks, 500 bucks for the day to make it in 7 days. Joe, if we find another good setup, we'll take it. Yeah, I should have probably taken everything on that short because I really didn't believe in the short. 7 days minimum, 30% rule. Yes, guys. So we can't be more than 900 per day, right? 30%. Yeah, the biggest day can't be more than 900 bucks. I guess you're saying, right? Because it's 3,000 target. Not a momentum day grind. Yeah, I told you guys it'd probably turn into a short squeeze. At this point, it'd probably turn into a short squeeze. That daily opens right there. I think they'll squeeze up into that. I used BTCC for crypto, made pretty good, and lost more. So now using funded accounts, learning a lesson. Yeah, we've all been there. I traded live futures first, got my butt handed to me, and then came over to the prop world. And now the prop world has actually made me a better live trader. You guys are going to notice that. You're definitely going to notice that with your trading. If you've traded, first of all, you get more at-bats. You get way more at-bats with prop firms than you do with your real money. So that speaks volumes right there. And if you, it all depends what you do with those at-bats. Do you learn from them? Do you later on do your journaling to check them out to see what you did right, what you did wrong? There's a calculator posted in the STARS program. Okay, guys, if you guys want to check out the calculator that Ramana built, he made this calculator that allows you to know exactly how much to risk on each trade. And he's got a lot of little bells and whistles on it. So if you guys want to check it out, go to our STARS program, STARS channel, in the Discord. Yeah. Because when I trade my live account now, my win rate on my live account now is so much higher than it used to be before. I had no consistency at all before. Now it seems like my consistency is much better because of all the at-bats I got with prop firms. It's kind of like paying for college. You know, a lot of people say you should start with paper trading, and I do think it's good to a degree, but I don't think there's anything that's going to teach you like having your money on the line, whether that's a prop firm or whether that's a small live account. There's nothing that teaches you better than that, because it's not only about learning how to trade, it's also about learning how to control your emotions. And there's no emotions involved when you're trading with paper. Like I can put 100 lots on right now and just sit there and watch it and have no emotion. But there were times when I'd put on one micro and I was about to explode. It makes no sense. It makes no logical sense, but that's just the way it is. Looks like they're squeezing here. Is that a good time to buy a home? Somebody just posted in X, is now a good time to buy a home? It depends what you want it for. It depends what the deal is. It says more than 13% of the nation's real estate assets are held by the wealthiest 1% of Americans. Is that so? There's always an opportunity. A lot of people are holding on to the low mortgage rates, man. They're not selling. People are funny. Another YouTuber rug pulls his audience and now is saying, in light of everything that happened, I swear I did not know about anything that just happened. I just saw something on X from a YouTuber who just rugged his audience. I gotta pull back here. Could get a little pullback, but again, remember, watch the slow grind. Yeah, Joanna, I wish I knew about funded accounts too before I started with real funds. I have a couple of buddies who also started with real funds and they got demolished. Yeah, give me a second, guys. I'm gonna take off my ankle weights here. We're back. If you guys should try walking with 10-pound ankle weights for an hour and then take them off, you feel like you're floating, like you're on like the moon. Look, don't I look like I'm floating? Yeah, it's crazy. You got to pep in your step for the rest of the day after that. So we just broke through the overnight highs. I don't know if that's all the market wants. I doubt it. I think she wants a little more. I think she wants that daily open. I think she wants that daily open for sure. Let's see if the VIX is making that comeback. Yeah, it looks like it's trying. I told you guys it was going to happen. Could be getting that push down. Do you guys think today was an easy day to trade or today was a hard day to trade? What do you guys think? Was today easy or hard? Take a quick poll here. Let's see what you guys got here. The daily open wick high big. I think the market will go for it. Let's see. Yeah, I think some of you are already saying that it was kind of a difficult one today. I don't know. I just know that I'm learning when to stay out. That's the most important thing I think with trading is knowing when to just sit back and watch. Like right now, if I didn't have a trade in for the day, I'd probably be trying to get into this short. But since we have that daily open above us, I don't really know what the market may want to do right now. If we do drop here, we could catch some support in this little range. This right here. If we lose that, then we're going right back to VWAP. So, and if we lose that, we've also got this trend line, handy dandy trend line. She may want to break that. Who knows? Finish at 53.83 for the day, says my client. You're a savage, man. Joanna says she entered too early this morning, so I had to wait for a push up. Yeah, that happens. That's one of my biggest issues too. I'm too early to some of these moves. For sure. We got 2 votes so far. A lot of people were thinking today has been a difficult day to trade. This short, I should have gotten into this short opening at the open, but instead I took the long here. I'll explain to you guys why real quick. So this morning I took the long in here because I was seeing, I think it was about 848. I was seeing continuation. I was seeing continuation in the delta. This delta here was telling me continuation, and I had a very nice trap here. This whole thing here was a trap. So I saw that trap and I was like, okay, nice trap. Looks like they're pushing, trying to get above this level. So I took that long. And I also highlighted this area here. As you can see, it's still highlighted now, the size of this candle. This whole candle here was a absorption candle. And whenever you see an absorption candle like this, followed by some big volume downward candles, this is going to be a level to reckon with. So we got here. I didn't take profits because I was thinking that we'd go higher. My idea for the day was higher. But instead I broke even here and I missed the short entry instead, which is the one I should have been looking for. Short right in here, stop up here, and it would have given us like a 200-point move down, but I did not take that, so then I took the long instead. We did all right, but I have to get better at reading this market. Really have to get better. It was a 250-point move down. We could have really milked this market for a majority of that if we would have been quick on the trigger there. Let's show Mike Light some love here. Good job, Mike Light. All right, guys, I think I'm going to call it a day here. I'm done trading. I just want you guys to kind of follow my thought process of why I took the trades that I did today and what I'd be looking for right now if I was still in the market hunting for a trade. To be honest with you, I think we're going to get a slow grind higher, probably above the daily open. And maybe after we get to this level, we might see then a pullback, maybe into VWAP. Maybe. Who knows? But there are levels above us. We've got the daily here. We've got last week's low and Friday's low right there at 19,360. We've got the close from Friday at 458. And we got a major low that we had back then here, but who knows, 9,550. We've got an anchored VWAP right here at 19,770. So we've got some levels. So stay on your toes, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. I'll be back on at 9 a.m. If you guys are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe and notification bell. Check out the deals down below in the description, and don't forget to join the Discord, guys. That STARS program, I'm telling you, man, that'll shape you guys up really nice, man. That separates the beginner traders from the advanced traders when you have an accountability group. For sure. Yeah, take care, guys. See you then.